Hello, so this is Kevin Lam from SFU Biology, and I'm just going to show you in this video how to download and install Camtasia. So first we'll go to techsmith.com/download/Camtasia, as shown up here. And then since this is a MacBook Pro, I will click on the Mac download, and that will immediately start downloading the DMG file. It should take about a minute. Okay, so I skipped a bit ahead here to when this file is fully downloaded. I'm just going to click on it now that it's downloaded. And then change this to English and read it if you like, and then click agree. And then to finish installing, I'm just going to click and drag that into the applications folder and let go. Oops, sorry, let's do it again. Applications, and sometimes it opens into this Finder window, but I'm just going to make sure it gets into applications with the plus sign before I let go. There we go. So now you see it's actually copying the full program into the applications where all of my other programs are stored and ready to use. Right, when that's done, if I go to my Launchpad down here, you see Camtasia just appeared. Okay, so if you have more than one page of programs, then it might be on one of the later pages. And then if we click on Camtasia, we'll open it for the first time. So it's bouncing, saying that there's other stuff to deal with. So just verifying the download. Right, and I'll tell the computer that I trust this software. And then sign in to start the free trial. Alright. So you'll have to create a new account if you don't already have one. So I'll just use my other email to create a new account. And a bunch of questions. Let's just say we're using it for academic lessons. Submit. And that's it. We're signed in. So we can close that window if you like, but I'm just going to go back to my Camtasia now. Right? And now that I have an account, I can sign in with the same password. And then allow. There we go. So continue trial. And there we go. Camtasia's open and ready to use. There's a little intro file there, but I'll be posting new videos soon to show you the easiest way to use it to record your lectures. Alright, thank you. Sorry this was a little bit rough, but that's how you would install and start your free trial of Camtasia.